So last class studied circular convolution in time domain as well as frequency domain, and explained the concept of time domain and frequency domain, and solved one problem in both time domain and frequency domain. So today's class is linear convolution, how to perform linear convolution, how to do in graphically, how to do in frequency domain. What is the convolution purpose? Any LTI system, by doing convolution between input and impulse response, we find out the output. If we know system impulse response h of n, for any arbitrary input is applied to LTI system, by doing convolution between these two, we can easily find the output y of n. That is the beautiful advantage of this convolution. Convolution is between non-periodic and periodic. If it is periodic, it is called as a circular convolution. If it is a non-periodic, it is a linear convolution. So I explain this time domain with the help of one example. So all of you listen carefully. Given x of n is few values only I have taken because easily we can understand. 1, 2, impulse response is 3, 4. This length need not be equal. It can be, this may be 2 values, this may be 4 values. Lengths need not be equal. But periodic convolution, both the lengths compulsorily should be equal. If one is 3 values, other is 3 value, answer is also 3 values. But whereas in linear it is different. Now find linear convolution in time domain, also called as graphical approach. Second method is obtain same answer using frequency domain. So first I will explain A-bit solution in time domain. So y of n equal to x of n star h of n. If you expand this, k equal to minus infinite to infinite, x of k, h of n minus k. This is the formula earlier also given. So x of k. So what is x of n? 1, 2. X of n 1, 2. So at 0, 1, at 1, 2. This is x of n. What is h of n? 3, 4. 3, 4. H of n. Now I am changing x of n into x of k. Variable only change it to k. Same 1 and 2. Then h of k. What is h of k? H of n. Change it to h of k. Just variable changed h of k. Then go for h of minus k. What is minus k? Folded version. So at minus 1, 4, at 0, 3. This is h of minus k. Now keep your attention on x of k, h of minus k. So convolution between these two. So at 0 this is 3, at 0 this is 1. 3 into 1 is 3. 2 into 0 is 0. 4 into 0 is 0. This product 0, this product 0. 3 into 1. So 4 into 0 plus 3 into 1 plus 1 into 0 is 0. So that's summation. Next to h of 1 minus k. Shift to right by one step, multiply, add. Another step, shift to right. That is h of 2 minus k. Again multiply, add. This is how it will go. So here, how many values are there? 2 values. So 0 to 1. 0 to 1, 2 values. Y of 0 I am finding first. X of k, h of minus k. Because m equal to 0, m equal to 0, h of minus k. This you expand, x of 0, h of 0 plus x of 1, h of minus 1. What is x of 0 value? X of 0 is 3. sorry, x of 0 is 1, h of 0, h of 0, this one, h of 0 is 3 plus x of 1, x of 1 is 2, h of minus 1 no value, 0. So this answer is 3. Next, y of 1, n replace with 1, h of 1 minus k. So 0 to 1 expand. X of 0, h of 1. Next, x of 1, h of 0. What is x of 0? 1. H of 1 is 4. H of 1 is 4. Plus x of 1 is 2. H of 0 is 3. 4 into 4 plus 6, 10. Like that, y of 2, 0 to 1. Expand, substitute, you will get 8. So 3, 10, 8. 3, 10, 8. So here x of k, h of 1 minus k. H of minus k shifted right. Shifted right. So this 4 will come here, 3 will come here. Another shift right. Then 4 here, 3 here. H of 2 minus k. This, if you multiply with this, 4 into 2, answer only will come. If you multiply this sign, this, 4 into 1, 3 into 2, 6 plus 4, 10. Whereas in this case, h of k, sorry, h of minus k, this into this multiply, only 3 into 1. So folded version, keep on shifting, multiply, add, shift to multiply, add, like that. Similarly, you have done in analog domain, signals and system. This is in discrete domain. This is how you can do graphically. Why you are getting 3 values? There is a formula. That is n equal to number of values in resultant answer is n1 plus n2 minus 1. What is n1? 2. What is n2? 2 minus 1. 4 minus 1, 3. So what is the answer is 3. 3 values. 3 values. If this is having 2 values, this is having 4 values. 2 plus 4, 6, 6 minus 1, 7. So 7 values will come. This is another shortcut method. You write 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 1 ja 3, 3, 2 ja 6, 4, 1 ja 4, 4, 2 ja 8. Then 8 plus 8, 4, 6, 3. 3, 6 plus 4, 10, 8. So this is a shortcut method you can apply in any competitive exam. BTech or IES, like this only you have to do it. Now let me explain frequency domain, how you can do. So to answer B bit in frequency domain, the resultant answer contains 3 values. So compulsorily we should go for 3-point DFT. Because answer contains 3 values, we should go for 3-point DFT only. If you take 2-point DFT, you get only 2 values. This third value will not come. Okay. So use this formula, get the number of values. Accordingly, you have to append zeros. So in frequency domain, because of 3-point, third element will be 0. Here also third element is 0. Okay, like that. Adding 0 is called as a padding. Or if n1 is having 2 values, n2 is having 4 minus 1, 4 plus 2, 6 minus 1, so 5. That means 1, 2, 0, 0, 0. Then this is already having 4 now, 1, 0. So 1, 0 added in, appended in second sequence. 3 zeros are added in first sequence. So how many zeros we are adding depends on this answer. So that's what important. That's one important concept. So let me explain B. So B bit solution, we have to use 3-point DFT. That means y of k equal to x of k into h of k. What we have to perform? Use 3-point DFT. So to find y of k, this 3-point matrix multiplied with 1, 2, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. This table in previous class I explained how to generate a W3 matrix. Generalized procedure W4, W8, W6 and so on. W3 matrix earlier I have given. So this is minus 0.5. This is a 3 by 3 matrix, multiply with this. Answer is 3. So this is y of k. Next to find out h of k. The same matrix, copy paste, but here 3, 4, 0. 3, 4, 0. So it takes time to multiply, but to do it yourself, all of you, you get 7. 1 minus j 3.464. 1 plus j 3.464. So you need lot of patience to multiply this, and if I keep on doing with the calc, it takes more time. So ready-made answers I am giving, you check it yourself. Then multiply. This is sorry x of k. X of k, h of k. Then 1 to 1 multiply, you will get to y of k. So y of k answer I will give 21 minus 6 minus j 1.732 minus 6 plus j 1.732. Y of 0 is nothing but x of 0, h of 0. So 7 into 3, 21. Like that, this into this multiply, this into this multiply. You get the answer y of k. Then how to get to y of n? Y of n is nothing but 1 by 3 complex conjugate of this. So this is plus, this is minus, this is minus, this is plus. This is multiplied with 21 minus 6 minus j 1.732 minus 6 plus j 1.732. This you multiply. So after multiplication, you get exactly same answer, 3, 10, 8. 3, 10, 8. This 1 by 3 also there. This is Wn star. Then y of k, multiply, you get a y of n answer. Time domain, frequency domain answer should be same. which is fast among all. Time domain using shortcut is fastest method. Second is graphical. Third is this. So depending on the question asked in the exam, you have to do it. So I hope this is clear. Linear convolution is done. How to obtain circular convolution answer from linear convolution? Circular convolution. Here how many values are there? 2 values. Here how many values are there? 2 values. If you do circular convolution, resultant answer also contain 2 values. Resultant answer also contain 2 values. How to get those 2 from the linear convolution? What is linear convolution answer? 3, 10, 8. How many values are there here? 3. But circular convolution will contain only 2. So this is extra, na? This extra add it here. So 8 plus 3 is 11, 10. So this is the answer. This is circular convolution answer we got from linear. We got from linear. This is how you can get circular convolution answer from linear. Linear I already explained, but circular we should have only 2. This you add it, you are getting like this. Okay. How to get linear convolution from circular convolution? How to get linear convolution from circular is nothing but 1, 2, 0, 3, 4, 0. It has 3 values. It has 3 values. Then perform circular convolution between 1, 2, 0, 3, 4, 0. Definitely you will get the same answer 3, 10, 8. Either in time domain or in frequency domain. So how to obtain linear convolution answer from circular convolution? Linear convolution answer contain 3 values, but given containing only 2, add 0, each 3 values, then perform circular convolution graphically or in frequency domain, you will get the same answer. So like this you can obtain circular from linear, linear from circular. So with this, linear convolution concept is over.